So yesterday I was at the park and I ran into some friends that I went to college with, and I was asking them how they are, and I couldn't help but see a reoccurring theme in everyone that I run into from school, and it's that they all feel a little bit lost, like they're not really quite sure what the next step is and their path is. And you might be feeling the same way, so I wanted to make this video today for you, and hopefully it's a video you can refer back to when you feel like this. Ever since we were little, we're conditioned to know what's next. When you're in preschool, you get excited about kindergarten, then first grade, second grade, middle school, and then you get into high school, and then you get over high school and you want to leave, but don't worry, college is around the corner. And we always have these things to look forward to, and so we become accustomed to it. So maybe you've graduated from school, you have your career, maybe you're looking forward to your next promotion, or becoming partner, or going to med school, or getting married, or having children. Or maybe you're that kind of person who plans their vacation while they're on vacation. I'm looking at you, Daniela. Humans love to know what lies ahead. It's just kind of how we were taught from when we were little, so when we no longer have that structure, it can be really intimidating, it can be overwhelming. But if I've learned anything from past experience and from people in my life and from books, it's that you literally cannot imagine what is in your path and what opportunities lie ahead of you. When I was in high school, I had a dream college that I wanted to go to. I used to dream and just visualize myself going to this school. It was in New York and I was gonna be there, and anyway, I got deferred and then I got waitlisted. And it could have been soul crushing, except I ended up getting an opportunity to go to a school I didn't even apply to go to a program I didn't even know existed, and to go move to France and study abroad there. It was one of the most random, kind of like universal moments where I'm like, how did this happen? Because I never in a million years could have imagined this opportunity that came across my path. So you can feel pressured. Maybe you went and studied accounting and now you're in accounting and you don't really know what's next. Well, maybe in 2 years you're gonna get a job offer to go lead a company in something completely unrelated to accounting. You have no idea what lies ahead of you, and I think that's beautiful. I think it's exciting and wonderful, and if you dwell on it as something anxious and worrisome, it's only gonna cause you negativity, versus if you look at it in a light where, like, who knows what could happen? Opportunities are everywhere. You'll be able to enjoy the journey a bit more. My friend Mike sent me this quote a few months ago, and it said, if you see the path fully laid out ahead of you, step by step, then you can rest assured it is not your path. Your path hasn't been made yet, because you're creating it now with each new step you take into the unknown. And it's by Campbell, who does the hero's journey. And I think that's beautiful, because it's gonna be completely unique to you. That's the reality. What you're going through is gonna be something that you've never seen before. So rest assured that it doesn't matter if you know what your path is, because you're gonna go down a really unique path to you. And you can work towards it, collect skill sets, and just be prepared for whatever life throws at you. So I hope that helps you feel a little bit less lost and confused, because being lost and confused is just a part of the journey. Let me know down below, what is one of those times in your life that you couldn't have imagined? Good or bad, I'd love to know. For now, don't forget to live sustainably and consciously, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.